In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer and merge your Bybit accounts. By the end, you'll know how to move your verification from an older account to a newer one and securely transfer your funds all within the Bybit platform. To get set up, make sure you have two accounts ready, an older account that is already verified and a newer account that is not yet verified. Both should belong to you and be accessible, ideally with two-factor authentication turned on. Have the login details for each handy so you can switch between them smoothly. Start on your older verified account. From the main dashboard, open the account menu and choose Identity Verification. This is where your current KYC status lives. On this page, you'll see an option to transfer identity verification. Select that to begin. You'll be prompted to enter the login identifier for your new account, which is typically the email address or phone number you used for that account. Type it carefully and double check for typos because this determines exactly where your verification will move. Next, follow the prompts for facial recognition. For best results, use a well-lit area, keep your face centered, and remove anything that might obstruct the scan. Move slowly and follow the on-screen guidance until it confirms completion. If you receive any security codes during this step, enter them directly in the Bybit app or site and never share them with anyone else. Once the transfer is processed, the status flips, your old account becomes unverified and your new account becomes verified. There may be a brief review period before everything updates, so give it a moment and watch for a confirmation inside your account or via notification. When you see that your new account shows as verified, you're ready to move your funds. Log back into the old account and head to the Assets section. Choose the internal transfer option to send funds to your new account. Select the asset, enter the amount, and confirm the destination is your new account. Internal transfers are designed to be quick and typically avoid network fees, but it's still smart to review the details before you submit. After you confirm, wait for the transfer to complete and then check the balances on your new account to ensure everything arrived as expected. That's it. You've moved your verification to the new account and transferred your funds internally. If anything doesn't look right, reach out to Bybit support from your account dashboard and keep your security settings up to date throughout the process.